Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance of point A 2, 4 from x-axis is. We know that distance of any point from x-axis is nothing but its y coordinate. So in this case, distance of A 2, 4 from x-axis will be equal to 4 units. So let's see, answer is option B.